Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to get Chicken Jockey in Grow a Garden. If you are a fan of rare and unique pets in Grow a Garden, the Chicken Jockey is one of the most special ones ever released. This pet not only looks cool but also provides powerful in-game boosts that can significantly improve your progress. It was a limited time reward during a special event, making it highly sought after among players today. The Chicken Jockey is a rare pet that comes with two amazing abilities. It has the zombified mutation skill, which activates every 30 minutes. There is a 20% chance it turns a nearby fruit into a zombified version worth 25 times more. Second, it gives your garden a 10% egg hatching speed boost, helping your eggs hatch faster. When the Blood Moon update was released, players who were online during the launch automatically got the Chicken Jockey for free. If you joined the game right when the update went live and stayed online during the event, it was added straight to your inventory. Sadly, the Chicken Jockey is no longer obtainable through normal gameplay. The only way to get one today is by trading with another player who already owns it. Some players have traded it for other rare pets or valuable items, depending on the game trading system. If you missed out during the event, your best option is to look for trades and try to get one from other players. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.